Kirwee Field Days, it's finally here. How does it feel?
Yeah, very exciting. It's finally the time that it's all coming together, and today is very busy.
Yeah, I bet. And how are you feeling about the weather? It's not looking too good outside.
Yeah, it's a bit wet today, but it's only set up day. The forecast is good for the rest of the week, so we're confident it's going to be a good turnout.
Yeah, and time for Wednesday, do you think?
Oh, I would hope so. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, can you do just a brief recap for me, a bit of the grounds and how long we've been at Kirwee and the size of it and that sort of thing?
Yep, sure. So we're second time here now. We're here every 2 years. We're a 40-hectare site originally, now expanded out to 80. Not quite fully stocked up with exhibitors this time, but we're trialling a new lifestyle section this time, so there's heaps of new stuff for people to come and see. So over 500 exhibitors this time round, so yeah, we're confident and expecting over 30,000 people, I'd say, over the 3 days.
Yeah, it must be pretty exciting for you guys because there's 25 of you that put it together, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. There's about 25 to 30 of us on the organising committee, so it takes a lot of extra volunteer time to put it all together, but the committee do enjoy putting on an event for the public and the local community.
Yeah, and can you talk me through a few of the bigger exhibitors that you've got here for the 3 days?
Yep, so we have some of the big guys, Land Power, they'll do a lot of demonstrations, power farming, the likes. I think Water Leaston, they've actually not demonstrating as such, but have the pivot that they've donated to us to use for a long period of time. So all of those guys, to name a few, there's a lot more. I can't name them all obviously, but we're very grateful for the help that a lot of the companies give us.
Yeah, so is there something like 600 exhibitors or?
Yeah, in the region of 550 to 600 this time around. So yeah, you probably actually need 2 days to be fair if you actually want to see everything. But we do pride ourselves on being that demonstrations based field days. I'd like to say the best one in the country, so we'll see.
Yeah, I was just going to say for those people who don't really know, because there's 2 field days, this is one here and in Hamilton, right? So what do you guys offer in terms of that?
So I guess we are the regional one in the South Island this year, National Field Days referred to in Hamilton. So we've probably got a lot more demonstration type stuff, comparative demonstrations with equipment that happens out in the demonstration area. So we've got approximately 10-12 hectares set out especially for that. So the same demonstration program runs over 3 days and everyone can come in and look at that, see what they want to see if they are looking at products, see the comparative demonstrations and what they want to buy.
Awesome. Is there anything that comes off the top of your head that people don't really want to miss in terms of demonstrations?
I couldn't even list them all. There's literally a daily demonstration program the whole time, but like the top tractor shootout, they're comparing different parts of a tractor, doing vario transmissions this year. So they will have things like cab comfort, lots of different things, as well as PDO speeds, strengths, all that sort of stuff that they'll be checking.
And you've sort of touched on it already, but how many people are you estimating to come through the gates?
Well, we're thinking around the 30,000 mark over the 3 days. So we're hoping that the weather's going to come right, everyone's going to be happy and come and see what they want to see and get some good deals at the field days.
Yeah. Is the rain something that makes it real difficult for people to set up, or is it something that you just sort of get mucked in with?
Yeah, I think the farmers just learn to deal with it. If they weren't at work, they'd be here anyway. So we just get on by and make it happen.
Yeah. So today and tomorrow everyone's setting up, and then when does it open?
Yep. So it opens 8 o'clock on Wednesday morning. So there'll be 3 days exactly the same, 8 o'clock till 5 o'clock, and only $15 to get in the gate, so nice and cheap.
Awesome. And what can people do if they don't have tickets yet?
So just rock on up. There's no worries about getting in through the gate. We'll have everything sorted. FPOS at the gate if we need to, so nice and easy for everybody.